Hope everyone's having a real good day today. Me and my buddy Wes are heading down to Redneck Yacht Club Fall Classic 2022. We're in Tampa, Florida. Got a little 2-hour drive ahead of us. I drove down from Atlanta last night. It was about a 9-hour drive, so definitely been putting some miles on it. But hopefully it's gonna be real cool out here. Gonna see some swamp trucks, bunch of pulls, hopefully some interesting scenery, and drink a little bit of beer. The only downside is it's pouring rain right now, so it's definitely gonna be wet out there, but we're gonna make the best out of it, and I'll check in with you guys when we get there. All right, one of the important techniques that you guys take into account when y'all are four-wheeling is you gotta air down the tires. So we're sitting here right now airing down Wes's tires, but it's just so muddy out here. We're 4 low, we're just spinning them, so letting a little bit of air out. Hopefully that helps us out a little bit. All right, first recovery of the day. Got himself stuck in a big puddle here. It's just a swamp out here, mud for miles. Got the Rhino USA tree saver right there. Some gloss grade D-rings. Yeah. We wish this guy had a shackle on the back of it, but he's just got the tow ball. It's kind of limited space here. We're actually in the campgrounds is where he got stuck at, so we only got a few feet to work with. Alright, easy as 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we got the Rhino 7/8 kinetic rope hooked up to a 1/2-inch soft shackle there, and then a shackle hitch receiver on Wes's Jeep. So we're gonna give him a yank with the Rhino kinetic rope. Alright, hit it, Wes.
Like butter.
Yeah, that's that kinetic rope at work right there.
What does that run?
All right, we're out here where the big boys play. Got stuck. Look at that big chunk of mud he's got hanging off his shocks. Shouldn't have stopped. You should have just kept her going. hop on the Jeep. Let's get her done. Yeah.
It looks like he got it in neutral and he didn't get a gear. Come on, Jeff.
Hey, tell him to turn his wheel straight.
Turn the wheel straight.
The results of that guy's roll bar coming out. This guy's bumper broke and flew back with the kinetic rope into the Jeep, smashed the soft top in the taillight, broke the whole door. Carnage. Got a long pole now. You can see the strap there. Got a 30-footer hooked up to a soft shackle in the middle there. Then a 30-foot kinetic rope with the shackle hitch receiver on the Kawasaki. This guy's just buried. There's so much mud. Can't hardly overcome the force resistance. Plus, oh, we almost got him. There he goes. Take her on home, Wes. That's how it's done.